Here are 3 ways you can use the protective eye guard. The first way is it can be easily used for relaxation or freestyle techniques. This is going to make it a very easy and clean application of your lotions. Start by gently placing the guard under the lashes and apply the lotion to the lashes with a brush. The guard is also a great tool to control your tint application for a clean and precise result. Position the guard under the lashes and gently brush the tint through to achieve even coverage all the way from the base of the lash to the tip. Using a disposable micro brush, you can apply the tint closer to the lash line for a seamless color result. Tint guards can be used to remove tint from the brow or to check the color development for a full removal. Gently glide the edge of the guard across the brow to remove the tint. You can also reapply the tint from the guard to the brow if the color needs further development.